Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you that how can we create our public profile on Snapchat. You have to open your Snapchat first like this, and you will find here a profile pic at the top left corner of the page. Then click on it, and here you will find all the details about your profile. Let's scroll down, and mostly you will find here a public profile option in front, but here in my Android phone there is no option like this. So what we have to do, we have to click on this option like this, and you will find here an option of create public profile. Then click on it and then continue, get started, and then create. And then you will find this option on your profile page. Then click on it and get started to make your public profile, and then click on the edit profile. Then give here your profile information, any that you want, then location and all that you want, and then show subscriber count like this. You can add your pic by tapping here. So I can just click on it, and yes, you have successfully created your public profile. You can also add a cover photo here, like I want to apply this, and yes, I have done it successfully. So guys, it's gonna pretty easy to make your public profile on the Snapchat by using this method. I hope you all guys like this video. Give this video a like and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.